Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7:32 and today is 6th of January 2020. How are you guys and how are you trading? Hope you enjoyed the trades today, although there was a massive gap down opening, but yet the stocks that we figured out, the stocks that we traded in gave a massive breakout and we enjoyed really good profits at StockPro. StockPro Premium, Pro Intraday Group, StockPro Premium Advisory. We traded Bajaj Finance, we traded SBI, and we traded Bank of Baroda. A lot of stocks we traded. But today my topic is basically to discuss about how my Diwali stocks are doing. I have given four stocks. So before I go on, you must be wondering who I am. I'm Dr. Seema, your host right now. I'm SEBI registered research analyst, and I'm the partner to the major stockbroking firms like Fires, Zerodha, and Upstocks. And I'm chief mentor at StockPro. So here I'm going to talk about the four stocks that I have given: Waterbase, IFL Security, IFL Wealth, and Confident Petroleum. How were they picked? I mean, where were they picked and what kind of a highs they have made and what is expected in the upcoming months? So here I am. Before I go on anywhere, this is my trading view handle, Stock Pro Training, and here you can see about 2043 members. I post my research a day in advance. Today's research will be just here in few minutes, and you can join me here, or you should be there on my Telegram channel, right? You can see over here, Stock Pro Official. This is my link, stockpro underscore official. You can see here stockpro at the rate official, and you can go to any of my YouTube video, even the one that you're watching. Go to the description box of that and you will be able to figure out the stocks, the channel link for Telegram, and you will be able to find out the link for my Twitter handle and for the Facebook. So here is my Diwali stock. The first Diwali stock was IFL Securities, right? My I have given it a buy at 27 and I have set to accumulate it over um, different levels. If it goes down, keep accumulating it till about 18, right? I want to show you how the stock has done right now, where we stand. So before I go on, let me just have a look on this date. Which date was this? So this was, I think, around. It's a Diwali pick, right? It's definitely a Diwali, from this Diwali to the next Diwali. So it's October 24th, right? So here we are. I'm going to put the chart, and I have, here is my Diwali pick. The first Diwali pick that I'm going to talk about is here is IIFL Securities. I don't need any of my moving averages. They are just, I don't want to trade with based on moving averages. This is where I gave it. This was on around 24th of October. I've given IFL Securities, and look at it here. Somewhere here I have given a buy at around 27. It went down till about 22, right? And I have said keep on buying till it goes. If it doesn't break its low, you are good, right? So it went till about 22, and from there now it's an upper circuit, right? From 27, I have given a buy. On 24th of October, somewhere here, I have given a buy at this place. It came down. And look at the flight that it has taken. For the last 3 days, it's just an upper circuit. And I'm 100% sure you know the reason why it is an upper circuit, because Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought shares worth several crores, right? Now, see, if he's got a battery of analysts with him and who are there to suggest him that this is the stock that he need to invest in. We at the Stock Pro, we have given this IFL Securities on way in advance, right? We have given this way in advance on 24th of uh, 24th of, see here, you can see IFL Securities accumulated at these points. These are the targets that I've given. 1 year was the time frame. So even if you bought it at 27, right now where it stands at 49.3, and I'm expecting, let the market go in whichever direction, it will still head up for the next, upper circuit tomorrow. You won't get entry, right? Entry has to be at the right place. Now, if you just come to this website called screener.in, you can see how is the fundamentals of IIFL Securities. It's a 1,500 crore company. Its PE is very, very reasonable at 11.5. And look at the pros and the cons. Company has reduced debt and there are some cons as well, right? But what attracted me when I picked it up, that cash from operating activity, which was in March 2018, was negative, has become positive in March 2019. For me, that was a great attraction, right? That was a very great big attraction for me, and the price of this particular stock was also a very, very good attraction for me, right? So that was my first stock. The next stock that I have given was water base. This is the place from where I have given the water base around the same time, right? At the same place. So 106, 7 something, you can check my. So see, if you want these live trades, you want, live updation and live trades in the market, you must be present on my Telegram channel, which is, StockPro, our official SEBI registered. It's got 91,668, subscribers. So this is my water base, right? This is the water base, the stock that I have given. This is basically from this Diwali to, no, to the next Diwali. I have given, where is it? Let me just have a look here. So this also have given somewhere around what date? Around October 22nd, right? Water base I have given a buy at about, water base I have given accumulated 112, 100 and up till 85, you can keep accumulating it. And my targets are 250, 300, 350, 400 over 1 month, 1 year, sorry, right? This is how water base is. So I've given about at this place 110 and 12. We were here. It went down, and next few days it gave a flight till about 154 or so, right? From 112 to 154, roughly about 30-35% return it had given. Then it came down again from the same place. It has taken a flight and made a high of 158, right? So it doesn't matter, like the stock will go up, down, up, down, up, down. And if you see, it's making higher lows, right? Every time it's making a higher low, right? If you just note here, I can draw it for you. You can just note it by yourself. Every time it has, made a higher low. So see here, this is, right? You can check everywhere, every time it has been making a higher low, right? This is how it has been placed all this while. Every time there's a higher low, right? If I can make it here. So here, 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 and now it's making a base somewhere here. So for according to me, within 2 months, it has gone from 112 to 136, 20% return. I'm expecting it to give me full return by, um, end of this year. Then we had Confident Petroleum, right? Confident Petroleum is just range bound, right? I have given it also around the same time, around October, right? So it is just hovering, and I'm expecting it to give me a movement, but we'll see its fundamentals as well. And the last one that I have given is IIFL Wealth Management, right? That also looks very, very good to me for the moment, right? For the moment, it looks very good to me. Um, Although it has touched its base, right? It has already touched its base, but still I feel the stock should give a good movement soon, right? Why I'm saying so? Because the fundamentals of the company looks pretty decent to me, right? So IIFL Wealth Management is here. So it's a 10,206 crore company. PE is placed at 27. And if you look at, the pros and cons, company has reduced debts and the promoter holding is low and the company's cost borrowing seems high, right? Those are the cons. But if you see the sales, which is almost stagnant for a period of time, but look at the operating margin. It's 64, 62, 56, and 62%, right? Profit before tax has gone down a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, it's nothing much of major concern. But again, what I got attracted was that the cash from operating activity has turned from negative to positive, right? Although it is, the net cash flow is still negative, but the negative flow has reduced considerably by almost good amount, 37 plus 38, so about 75 to 80 crores it has reduced, which is all right, right? So those were some points, and its structure was looking good to me, right? Its structure, in the sense, the way price is consolidating is looking good to me. And I have reading the candlestick pattern, I believe that this is a consolidation zone, and soon when it goes above 1245, we can see the on the upside 1355, and definitely 1545 can be easily seen, right? Same goes with confident petroleum. Let's have a look at the fundamentals of confident petroleum. So it's a 726 crores. P is at 10 point, 81. Look at the sales growth. It's at 41.48%, right? Which is a very good number. Return on capital employed is about 25%. Return on equity is 20.72%, which according to me is very, very good. Look at the companies expected to give good quarter. Company has got consistent growth, and debtor days have improved. Company has a low return on equity. That's the only con, right? And if you look at the same way, their sales have been growing consistently, right? Those were some positive points that I felt. And return on capital employed has increased considerably. So initially it was 25, then 12, then 19, 32, 8, 6, 5, 2, 5, 7, and recently it has been 25%. So to me, these were point of attractions. And if you see, the cash from the operating activity has gone up, and the net cash flow has become positive. So these are some positives that I found. And also, if you haven't created, if you couldn't manage to buy IFL securities, or you couldn't manage to buy Waterbase, I hope you remember this last Diwali stocks that I have given. Hope that you remember. Awas Finances, right? Awas Finances were my stocks, multi-bagger stock, right? I've given a buy at about 640. Look at where it stands. Look at this rectangular box. This is where I have given a buy. It has made a high of 2050, 2047, from 680 to 2047, more than 300 times, 3 times return it has given, right? This is called a multi-bagger. The other one that I have given was Credit Access Grameen, right? Credit Access Grameen, this was also an unheard stock which I had given for a buy. Right. So this is Credit Access Grameen. I have given a buy somewhere about 725 or so, maybe 760, and see where it stands. 843, it has made a high, right? So it's also almost heading towards a 3 times growth, right? From 300 something to 900. It's phenomenally good growth nobody has such kind of accuracy, right? So guys, what I'm doing, I'm again figuring out a good one or two small penny stocks within the range of about 100 to 200 rupees, or maybe 50 to 100, 100 to 100 rupees. So my window will be from 50 to 250 rupees. I will get a good stock, one or two stocks maximum for you people, which you can invest in small quantities, which will be multi-baggers, right? I'm definitely looking for a multi-bagger which can give you good returns and you can accumulate well through that. So once again, if you have still not joined my positional, my channel, Stock Pro Official, and I just want to brief before I close that today my stock, I have shown, here in the morning I have given two stocks we have given. The first stock that we had given was Titan. The other was SR Transfin. I hope you have seen the drop in Titan was a buy stock. We have given a buy on the Titan, right? We have given a buy on the Titan, and Titan had a very nice buying opportunity. It gave a good movement from here to here. We have given a buy over here, and we have given a sell on SR Transfin, right? So those were my two live trades in free channel. This is the drop on 6th this particular stock has had, right? So guys, be present here. You will be able to get the most benefit. You will get some Diwali's, some positional stocks, some stocks to trade in, on a intraday basis. So enjoy trading along with me, and the trades are going to be extremely confident trades. The trades will be really good trades. So see you guys, see you on my channel, see you on my Telegram channel, which is Stock Pro. Get good positional intraday trades. You get the Stock Pro research a day in advance, and if you do not know exactly where you need to follow me, you can just look into the description box of this YouTube video, and you will be able to follow me on Stock Pro Telegram channel from there. So with this, I'm signing off, but please make good money every single day, right? I want you people to make good money every single day, right? And for that, I'm doing a lot of work, and I really want you all to make good money. So see here, these were my trades today. I told you that we have given these trades on the free channel, right? The trades are SR Transfin, we have given for a sell, and we have given a buy on Titan, right? So these are live trades. You can see the timestamp, you can see everything, and you can decide from here the accuracy of the stocks. And as I showed you in my premium advisory, I have given a sell on Bajaj Finance at 932, right? You can see what price Bajaj Finance has made. So with this, I'm signing off and hope to see you making good money every single day. Bye bye. Take care.